Hi everyone. So today I'm going to make a teacup bird feeder using these items that I bought from thrift stores. I bought these dishes at Goodwill and other thrift stores. And I have this hanging chain. It's a 3-strand chain. I'm going to paint it gold, metallic gold. And some people, when they make these, they drill holes in the plate, but I don't really like to drill glass that much unless I have to. So I've been looking around for what could hold the chain onto the plate. It's hard to find anything. Some people use pendant clips for jewelry. But I looked around and I found these in the electrical department at the hardware store, at Lowe's and at Ace Hardware. I found these. But they're called one-hole strap, the electrical department, and they look like this. And I think that'll work really good. I'm going to glue the bottom part to the plate, and then it has the hole in the top so I can attach the chain to it. So I think that'll work good. So I'm going to spray paint these gold, 3 of these, and the chain. And then I have these other items that I'm going to attach later. I'll show you what I'm going to do. But real simple, I could just do the plate and the teacup and the chain, and that's all I need. But I'm going to add some other items to it too, just to decorate. Alright, so I'm going to get started. Yeah, so this is a plant hanger that I took off an old pot, but you can buy these on Amazon. I think it's 4 for like $10 or something like that. I'll look it up. And here's the strap holders, and I'm going to go ahead. Okay, I've got the clips painted. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue the clips onto the bottom of the plate. So I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to set it on top of this cup just so it'll be off of the table. I'm going to glue it on here like this, and then tape it on here so it'll stay on there till it dries. That on here. Put a lot on there, generous amount. Well, actually, I think I don't even need tape. It's on there pretty good. And you can measure it if you want to make sure it's exactly even. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. So I'm going to add a little bit of extra decoration on this. You don't need to. You can usually just use a plate and a teacup. That's all you need. But I just wanted to add a little extra. So I'm going to glue this pretty glass candle holder, a little bowl. I'm going to glue this onto the bottom. It'll be upside down like that. And I'm also going to glue these gems that I got from Joann Fabric. I'm just going to take one strand and I'm going to glue it into the bowl so it'll hang down from the bird feeder. I think that'll look pretty. I'm going to take this off of here. So how I'm going to do this one has a little round ring on it already. So I'm going to use a nut. I got these 1/4-inch nuts. This will be good because it has a flat side on it, so I can actually glue it to the glass and it'll stick on the flat side. So I'm going to put this ring onto the nut. I'll probably put a little silicone on there too, just to make sure it stays in place. And then I'm going to also silicone this nut inside of the bowl here like this, so it'll hang like that. See, I have that glued inside. Make sure the ring is upright like that. And I'm going to let this dry, and then I'll glue the teacup to the plate. So this is dry enough to where I'm going to go ahead and glue this on the bottom, like that. Let that dry a little bit before I flip it over. Okay, just in case you wanted to know what brand these dishes were, this is Pamela Gladding, even though I got it from the thrift store. And this one, the cup is from IKEA. So, okay, this is dry enough to where I can flip it over. This. Looks like these hooks are going to work really well. Okay, so I'm going to glue the cup onto the plate. So the cup is going to go sideways so that you put the seeds inside of the cup and it spills out into the plate. So let's see where I want to put this. I'll probably put it right there. And then I'll just glue it where it touches on the back edge and the top edge. Some people, when they make these, they'll glue this on here and then they'll just tie a string from the handle and hang it. That's an easy way to do it too. But I just like the look of the chain, and it seems like it's a little bit stronger too. So. Should be enough. Seems like it's going to hold like that, but I'm going to also put tape on it just to be sure it doesn't move. Take it back. And I'll put a piece of tape right here. And I'll just let that set up for a little bit. Okay. This is dry enough where I can take the tape off. And I'm going to go ahead and attach this chain to the little hooks here. Okay, so I got all the hooks on. Okay, so here it is hanging outside. I put it on a shepherd's hook just for pictures. I'll probably end up putting this on my porch so it won't get rained on. But I think it came out really pretty. The hooks are working really well. And here's the decoration underneath, just to fancy it up a little bit. It looks like crystal, but it's really plastic.